Hello everyone, welcome to Stoic Wisdom today. You've been criticized. Someone said your work isn't good enough. They laughed at your idea. They questioned your value. What do? Do you fight back? Shut down? Obsess over their words for days? Or do you respond like a Stoic, with clarity, strength and peace? Today we'll explore how Stoicism teaches us to handle criticism, rejection and judgment and come out wiser, not wounded. Let's begin. Part 1. Why criticism hurts. Criticism triggers something deep. Our fear of not being enough, our desire to be liked, our need to be seen, validated, understood. But the Stoics warned, if your peace depends on the approval of others, you've given away your freedom. Epictetus said, if someone tells you you're a fool and you get angry, are you sure they're wrong? The Stoic isn't afraid of criticism. They're afraid of losing their integrity just to please the crowd. Part 2. The Stoic mindset for facing criticism. Here's how the Stoics reframe judgment and feedback. 1. Distinguish opinion from truth. Someone says, your idea is terrible. The Stoic asks, is that true or just their opinion? If it's true, thank them. You just got better. If it's false, ignore them. Your value isn't on trial. Marcus Aurelius said, the opinion of 10,000 men is of no value if none of them know anything about the subject. Don't let loud voices replace your inner voice. 2. See criticism as a mirror. Every critique, even harsh ones, can teach you something. Seneca wrote, if an honest man is told he is wrong, he will not be angry. He will ask to be shown. Ask yourself, is there truth here even if it was delivered badly? What does this reveal about me and about them? Can I use this to grow? A Stoic doesn't fear being wrong. They fear refusing to learn. 3. Train emotional detachment. It's not what they say, it's how you absorb it. That means, don't react instantly. Don't take things personally. Don't assume they hate you. Most people criticize from their own pain or ego. As Epictetus said, another person's opinion is none of your concern, unless you make it so. Freedom begins the moment you stop letting others define your worth. Part 3. Practical Stoic strategies for criticism. Strategy 1. Delay your reaction. When criticized, breathe. Wait, reflect. Don't answer from ego. Ask, what part of me is hurt? Is this about truth or pride? Pause creates perspective. Strategy 2. Journal the judgment. Write what they said, how it made you feel, whether it's true, how you'd like to respond, not react. This turns pain into clarity, and that's Stoic alchemy. Strategy 3. Define your own standards. Criticism only stings when you lack your own compass. Ask, what are my values? Am I acting with integrity? Would I respect myself if I listened to them or ignored them? The Stoic lives by virtue, not applause. Part 4. The freedom of not needing approval. Marcus Aurelius asked himself, am I doing what I was made for? Then let others say what they will. This is the essence of Stoic strength. You do the work, you act with honor, you accept honest feedback, and then you let go. You're not chasing praise, you're not avoiding criticism, you're focused on the mission, not the noise. Part 5. When the criticism is personal or cruel. Sometimes feedback isn't helpful, it's hateful. Even then, the Stoic holds firm. Seneca said, if you know who you are, the insults of others do not diminish you. They diminish themselves. Let others show their character. You show yours by how you respond. Part 6. Quotes to carry with you. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your inner voice. Marcus Aurelius. You always own the option of having no opinion. Epictetus. To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that is all. Seneca. Live, truly, not to impress, not to defend, but to express your values in every word, every act, every silence. Conclusion. The Stoic response to criticism. Let them talk, let them judge, let them misunderstand you. You are not here to win their approval. You are here to become the best version of yourself. So the next time someone criticizes you, remember, pause, reflect, extract the lesson, discard the poison, return to your path, because in the end, criticism doesn't define you. your character does. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom today. If this video helped you build a stronger shield around your mind, share it with someone facing judgment. And until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay stoic.